What is a sampling error? A sampling error is a statistical error that occurs when an analyst does not select a sample that represents the entire population of data. As a result, the results found in the sample do not represent the results that would be obtained from the entire population. The sampling is an analysis performed by selecting a number of observations, you can see in the picture, from a larger population. So the method of selection can produce both sampling errors and non-sampling errors. So what we take away from this particular slide, sampling error occurs when the sample used in the study is not representative of the whole population, which is the basic type of basic understanding of non-probability. So sampling is an analysis performed by selecting a number of observations from a larger population. Even randomized samples will have some degree of sampling error because a sample is only an approximation of the population from which it is drawn. The prevalence of sampling errors can be reduced by increasing the sample size. In general, sampling errors can be placed into 4 categories. That could be population-specific error, selection error, sample frame error, or non-responsive error. A sampling error is a deviation in the sampled value versus the true population value. Because sample is not representing the entire population or is a biased in some way. So, randomized sample will have some degree of sampling error. Let's understand with one example. Assume that XYZ or ABC company provides a subscription-based service that allows consumer to pay a monthly fee to stream videos. You can take whichever company you want, and other types of the programming via an internet connection. Now, the firm wants to survey homeowners who watch at least 10 hours of programming via the internet per week and that pay for an existing video streaming service. That XYZ company wants to determine what percentage of population is interested in a lower price subscription service. If XYZ does not think carefully about the sampling process, several types of sampling errors may occur. A population specification error would occur if XYZ company does not understand the specific types of consumer who should be included in the sample. For example, if this company creates a population of people between age of 15 to 25 old, many of those consumers do not make the purchase decision about a video streaming because they may not work full time. On the other hand, if this company put together a sample of working adults who make purchase decisions, the consumers in this group may not watch 10 hours of video programming each week. So here, selection error also causes distortion in the result of samples. A common example is a survey that only relies on a small portion of people who immediately respond. So if XYZ makes an effort to follow up with the consumers who do not initially respond, the results of the survey may change. Furthermore, if XYZ exclude consumers who do not respond right way, the sample results may not reflect the preferences of the entire population. So this is how the sampling error occurs. So you have to be very careful with the sample that you choose and the study that you want to do on the sample that you are selecting, or the test, you can say.